We are at the Rocky Knob Recreation Area off the Blue Ridge Parkway in Southwest Virginia. Weekday in June. Definitely have some fog in the area, but it's still a beautiful, beautiful day for a hike. The Rocky Knob Recreation Area picnic area actually has facilities, flushable toilets, which is really helpful, especially if the visitor center, the ranger station, is locked, which it was. And so this loop is less than a mile, and we opted just to walk down this area and found some restrooms.